Hello everyone, today I will introduce you a 2 million NVR Wi-Fi kit. The model is NVS002. Our NVR comes standard with 4 cameras. Actually, it can also support 8 cameras. The Wi-Fi between the NVR and the cameras distance can reach as far as 60 meters. At the same time, it can also support the mobile phone remote. Let's introduce the accessories inside. There are 4 cameras and an NVR host. A menu, an NVR host the power supply. 4 cameras power adapters. For mounting brackets, 4 packs of screws, a network cable, and a mouse. Let me introduce the NVR host. NVR autonomy, power interface, USB interface, network cable interface, VGA and HDMI interface, audio output interface. This is the ID information of the NVR host device. Our NVR supports 128T hard drives, but our factory doesn't include the hard drives. You can buy them according to your needs. Let's introduce how to install it. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on both sides of the NVR and open the cover. Then the jack of the hard drive face to the left. The 4 screw holes of the hard disk should be aligned with the 4 screw holes of NVR, and then fix the screws. Just connect the connection port directly. Then we put the cover on. Pay attention to the protruding end facing the front. Put the front at first, and then screw on the 4 screws. Next, connect the NVR host and the monitor. Plug in the HDMI or VGA interface. You can take a look at these 2 interfaces. We are here to connect through the HDMI interface, connect the network cable, connect the mouse, and finally connect the power supply. Connect the camera to the power source. The monitor will perform a power on self-test, which takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Input the login interface and input the default password of 888888 to login. Below, we introduce some common functions of NVR. First, how to check the device ID information. Open My Device and click on Version Information to view. The second point, how to set the language. Open the control panel, click the General Settings, select the corresponding language, and you are done. The third point, how to restore factory settings. Open the control panel, click the Restore Default. If you need to reset the administrator of the mobile phone, you can kick the app user. Click OK to clear all mobile users who have connected to the set of NVR. Then, the first mobile user to reconnect to NVR will become the administrator. The fourth point, how to check the hard disk recording time. Turn on the recording function. Click the estimation to set the capacity parameter or time parameter. A small reminder, if the mobile phone terminal can't be viewed remotely, check whether the network cable is successfully connected and there is no problem with the network. Open the network. Click on the network. Check if DHCP enable was ticked. The fifth point, how to view the playback. When our NVR is installed on the hard disk, it will automatically record. Open the playback. You can select different cameras and different time periods to view the playback. The sixth point, how to add a new network camera. Open Camera Management and click Search. Tick the camera, click the pair, and then the screen will come up. If you need to log out, shut down, reboot the system, right-click the mouse to select. Next, we start to connect to NVR through the app. Before connecting, we need to make sure that our NVR network is successfully connected, so that we can watch it remotely through the mobile phone. Let's start the connecting. Click the Add in the upper right corner. Please input the device ID. You can manually input it, or you can click the QR code on the right to scan the code to add. And we can add it by scanning the code here. And then we click the next step. Next, we should need to input the name of the device. And next, we should input the device password 888888, and you should need to click the next to check it connected successfully. Next, we introduce the basic function of the app. Double-click to select any monitoring screen to enlarge the screen. Screen flip, definition swatching, video function, and there will be a promote in the upper right corner. Screenshot, monitor switch. Open the app and click the multimedia. You can choose channel and time to watch the playback.